Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you what are the different security attacks and what are the threats related to the confidentiality, integrity and availability. So the first one, what do you mean by threats? With the help of threat, attacker can exploit the vulnerabilities in the system. So the first one is snooping. So snooping is a kind of attack where attacker will try to capture the information that is delivering from sender to the receiver. So any unauthorized party will try to capture the information in case of a snooping attack. Second one is traffic analysis. Suppose sender and receiver, they are sending the message to each other. Suppose sender is sending the data and receiver is receiving the information. If suppose sender is sending the data like A, B, C, D, that time attacker will capture that particular information. So what is the pattern for sending the data? What is the data size? That kind of information will be captured by your unauthorized party. So this is the threat related to the confidentiality. So here in case of a confidentiality, we have to maintain the privacy and secrecy of our information. But due to this threat, attacker will gain access to your information. The first one is snooping attack and the second one is traffic analysis attack. Now we will learn the threats related to the integrity. The first one is modification. Suppose this is your sender and this is your receiver. Sender is sending the data to the receiver in message format like A, B, C. So whenever the data will be sent from sender to the receiver, one of the attacker can capture that particular information and they try to modify the data. Suppose data is sending from sender to the receiver, that is ABC, but on the receiver side, attacker will send data like ADC. So this B will be replaced with the data that is D and that modified message will be sent to the receiver side. That is called as modification. Now the second one is masquerading. In case of a masquerading, what will happen? Suppose this is user 1 and this is user 2. User 1 is having their own credentials like username and password. With the help of username and password, he is trying to log into the system and he will get access to the account based on his username and password. So user 1 is the authenticated user, but user 2 is unauthorized user. But user 2 is having the credentials of user 1. So what will happen in case of a masquerading attack? User 2 will act as a legitimate entity. He can act as a authenticated entity and they try to capture the information which is stored on user 1 side. User 1 has some bank information and they can access the bank information based on their own credential. But user 2 can be act as a entity, as a legitimate entity, and they can act as an authorized entity and he is trying to capture the information which is stored on user 1 bank details. That is called as a masquerading. So in case of a masquerading, what will happen? One entity can act as a legitimate entity or he can act as a authorized user and they are trying to obtain sensitive information. That is called as a masquerading attack. Now the third one is replaying attack. In case of a replaying attack, what will happen? Here you can check if suppose we have our sender and receiver. Sender is sending the information like A, B, C, D. So what attacker can do? Attacker will capture the information what sender is sending to the receiver. And in case of a replaying, attacker will do, they are continuously sending A, B, C, D message to the receiver. So on that side, receiver will confuse whatever the contents will be sent by the sender, and they will receive n number of copies of this data that will be sent from the attacker side to the receiver side. So in case of a replaying, the replica of message will be sent from the attacker to the receiver. That is called as a replaying attack. Now last one will be the repudiation. So in case of a repudiation, what will happen? Sender will send the data to the receiver, and receiver will also receive the data from the sender. So sender and receiver sender will deny that they have not sent the data, and receiver is also receiving the data from the sender, but he is also denied that they have not received the message from the sender. That is called as a repudiation. So these are the threats related to the integrity. The first one is modification, then masquerading, replaying, and repudiation. Now third one is the threats related to availability. And the attack is denial of service attack. That is called as a DOS attack. So you can consider that this is the server, and these are the attacker machines. So what happens? Attacker machines will send continuous request message to the server for data. They are requesting for the data that which is stored on the server. So in that case, our server may be crashed, it may be dead, or it may be exhausted. So that kind of attack is called as a denial of service attack. So in this video, we have learned about the concept of what are the different security attacks are there related to our CIA triads, that is confidentiality, integrity, and availability.